about to do?
Jay, move out of the way.
And in the container,
Snakes. Gotcha.
Honey, what are you doing?
in the container, there's another plastic bag.
Just an ordinary plastic bag.
In the plastic bag is a bottle, plastic bottle.
What's on that stop sign?
And in the
Some DOT number.
in the plastic bottle is oil.
I don't believe you.
This thing doesn't
Drink
sit,
it.
can't deal with water. So we get it's sodium metal. It's the third element on the periodic table. And it's stored in oil.
It's like sausages or something, yeah.
It's soft metal.
It's a goat cheese.
Cut it like that. And it has a violent reaction to water. It wants to steal the electron with a water molecule.
Steel electron.
I'm telling you, our retirement will not be boring. If we live through it.
Is it going to melt the pot?
No. That wasn't a big piece either.
Oh my god.
That's it?
That's enough.
It's not
Please.
going to do it again?
No.
Is it safe to go up there?
The water is now sodium hydroxide, some of it in there. Sodium hydroxide. Yeah. And I put a phenol.
This is what he's going to miss when he doesn't teach school.
Red.
We've got neighbors.
You have to- that's nice and
Say hi to Nikki, Ryan, and James.
Hi guys!
Happy Hanukkah.
Mom, try and smile. Christmas on the beach.
So, once the sodium is ionized, right? Once it becomes an ion, it's like if you put it with chlorine, chlorine is a poisonous green gas.
Back up, Amy.
Gas explodes violently.
He's talking to the senior.
Sodium chloride. We shake our hand.
I kind of didn't want to be drinking my coffee. That's all.
Yeah, I didn't want to look at it, but it's a flame. It burns on top. The hydrogen being pulled out of the water ignites and it starts to burn, and then it blows up when it gets.
Does the ATF need to know about this?
Oh, where am I?
From where?
Walmart.
Probably had to call it a favor.
7-Eleven.
No, I can order it because I got a science lab, so they'll send it pretty soon.
Don't get coffee in the can there.
Coffee can?
It reacts violently. in
Don't
water.
pee in the can.
Yes,
either?
it reacts to water.
You have to tighten the cap. There's 16 pounds of pork.
Oh, I did, didn't I?
Corporate.
Did I notice that? But I put
Walmart.
back in the plastic bag, back in the metal can.
At least it's not like the old ones. The old boxes used to have things moving in it. John would
From
when
Wisconsin, wouldn't you know?
when he
Another plastic bag.
Columbus, Wisconsin.
when John taught biology, there were live things that would be in boxes on the porch. Now it's just chemistry. We're safe.
At least we're not blowing up live things.
Oh, that was all.
I loved it.
Yay!
Now, John, when you do this with your students, you take them outside, correct?
No, I did it in the lab.
I don't think I'd do that, John.
Oh, it was nice.
That's why you don't do it. He does.
He also adds red to it, so it poops red.
Yeah, when it goes basic, it goes all red.
I thought that was fun.